Okay, so in that last section, we got that nice kind of match cut right here. And now we have a little bit of a problem, or what's known as a jump cut right here. So there are a number of different ways that we can fix this, but basically what we want to do is make sure that between here and here, that maybe the spoon is in a little bit further so that it kind of matches up with how far in the spoon is here. So there are a number of different ways to do that, and what to And to do that, we're going to use some of these tools right here. Now, this tool allows us to kind of change things at the edit point, and these tools here allow us to kind of move the overall clip. So what we're going to use is something called the Ripple Edit tool. So what I'm going to do is basically I go over here. You can see that as I move this at that editing point, it kind of points either way. What I want, let's get there right there, is to give this a little bit more space. So I'm going to make sure this is I want to have the arrow pointing at the clip that I want to affect, which is right there. And so I'm going to click, and as I drag, you can see it kind of splits into two separate sections. The section over on the right shows me the clip that I'm going to come up from. And so let's get it right. That looks like that's about right. So I'm going to drag that over. Now when I watch this, let's take a look. And you can see that we have a nicer edit right there. So that happens, and then that. And we could even, so we have that in there. We could even use this tool maybe to shorten this just a little bit. To kind of tighten up our edits, all right? So that right there is the Ripple Edit tool. In the next section, I'm going to talk about using these tools here, the slip tool, to basically move around where that edit happens.